Hey, Nicolette, how you doing?
Doing very well, thanks, Ross. How about you?
Doing great. Good morning. Yeah, so appreciate you coming to this video today and just really wanted to dive into it, get a
Sure.
sense of your experience so far with recruiting me in the time period that you've been a member. Maybe we could start with, can you share what recruiting niche that you're currently in?
My niche is pharmacists. I recruit pharmacists for small independent pharmacies. Pharmacists who still does it with their heart and wants to meet with patients, not clients, and who wants to build a relationship with their patients. Those are the people I'm looking for.
Awesome. And what were you doing prior to joining recruiting me?
I'm still actually doing it. I'm in insurance sales. So I work for a company and I work remotely. I help families by protecting their families with life insurance. And for this company, I need to recruit. So when I had to do that, I realized that there were gaps that could be filled and how hard it is for people to really find what they're looking for.
Yeah. So the extent of your recruiting background was basically in the role that you're in today, doing insurance. Was that kind of the genesis behind what motivated you to think about being an independent recruiter or starting your own recruiting business?
Yes, because I had to recruit for this company and build a team, and it was tough. And using vendors and all those kind of things, it costs you a lot of money, and the quality of the recruits you get is not really up to you. So I thought, why not just start my own thing? Then I can be in charge and sift people out and help the people I think that needs to get in the right direction and help them, but help people too. Just realized
Awesome.
this morning that what we are actually doing is really helping people find a new path, better their life. Great feeling.
Yeah. So we had a recent experience last week on Friday where through the efforts of our blueprint, our strategies, our software, you were able to get a response from a client who had a bunch of openings right now, which is really exciting. And then you and I together did the intro meeting with the hiring authority in HR. And that was really exciting. So I can kind of talk about that deal without giving names out, of course, but it looks like to me that they have a pretty good growth path right now, at least in the most immediate term, talking about maybe placing 4 or 5 people. How do you feel about that?
My goodness, I'm telling you, it was heaven sent. I can just have nothing else to say about it. It was heaven sent because I just did exactly, Russ, what you tell us to do and following the system. And here a client reaches out to me instead of me reaching out to a client. Well, hallelujah. That's all I can say about that. Very happy.
Yeah. Getting those inbound leads versus having to grind all day and do manual work
Yeah.
and cold calling is a huge time saver. Amazing. So maybe you can share just a little bit about your experience so far with recruiting me and how it's helped you, or love to hear that.
For sure, yes. As you can see, I have been about 36 for the last 20 years. So I wanted to make a change and discovered Recruiting Me when I was looking for a company to help me to do this and to learn how to do it. And Russ, the systems that you have in place and the videos that's on your school site, step one, step two, step three, if you just follow the steps, it's really very easy to start your recruiting company and get going. So that's what I've been doing. I've been in school a lot.
Yeah. And I know when you first joined, I believe you found us on YouTube, on the YouTube channel. And
Yes.
I know the first month or so, you didn't really go all in just yet. And then was it after a month where you're like, hey, Russ, I'm ready to really take this serious? And you certainly did. I got to give you credit for that. You really went all in. So I would say it's been a few months now, maybe under 3 months or so. And we're on the cusp of getting our first placement, which I think is really exciting. Yeah, I can't thank you enough for your participation in the program, you showing up, you doing the work, you coming to the coaching calls every week. It obviously helps you achieve the results that you want. Is there anything else that you wanted to add about your experience so far in the program?
Yes, absolutely. I want to thank you because you give your time to teach us and give all your secrets and help us to achieve the goals that we set. And you don't always find that. You get people who sell you something and here are the steps, just follow them. But you are the type of person who gives your time and train us every single week for an hour. And I think that is just great. So your involvement helps a lot and you are open. We can send you messages. That's phenomenal. your
Thank you.
support and
Appreciate it.
everything that we get from the top down. You sitting in with us with our first, you did with me on Friday, met with me with this company, having your support there helps tremendously. It's not just up to me, but I have a good leader who's there for me when I need it, who's supporting us. So that means a whole lot to me. And I know the other people in the team as well. So Russ, yes, I'm very excited. I am actually not even full in, and I cannot wait to be full in and then do the other job part-time.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I know you had some maybe fear around going into that first client call last week that you expressed to me prior. You and I had a prep call before. I love doing it. I think that's kind of one of the biggest value adds that I bring to the membership base is my 29 years of experience in doing those client calls. At least my members tell me that me showing up to a client call, positioning myself as their partner in business and helping them close that business is a huge benefit. So I was happy to do it because
Yes,
I love it.
it's a great support to have and to know that you're not on your own, especially the first time. So, Russ, your experience counts a lot, and it definitely gives me the security going into meetings like that to know that there's somebody there who knows how to do it.
Amazing. Nicolette, thank you so much. I appreciate the kind words, and I'm really excited to see your growth right here in the program. Let's close this deal pretty quick here, too.
Oh yeah, can't wait. I've got 4 clients as well, or candidates who's contacted me whom I have meetings with. So extremely excited about this week.
Amazing. Awesome. Thank you.